Hi guys, it's me here, just running through the new custom order modules. So with this, we've enabled the ability to create an order that is not attached to a membership or have anything to do with membership. Typically, you would use it for something like sponsorship or any other payment as required. So to begin, easy enough, all you have to do is to go down to the order list under audience. And once you get to the page, you'll notice that we've got this create order button. Clicking on it will take you to the modules. So first and foremost, you would need to select a Xero connection. And mainly because we do pull the account code directly from your Xero account, which is why we need to have that set in the first place. But otherwise, running from there, it's all pretty straightforward. Obviously, you set your issue date, you set your due date. The customer list here, they're all coming from your current existing member. So for this first release, you could only issue an invoice to your current customer, not any half customer. They'll have to go through Xero if you want to invoice anyone that's outside of your member list. Obviously, there's a GST status that you can set, and from there, you can then set the line item here. So for this test, I'm going to do a sponsorship for the price of $1,000. And I'm going to set it to a, let's see, we're going to put it into, there you go, payable account. And if you do change your GST status, then it'll get reflected whether it's an inclusive or exclusive. In here, it is set just for this invoice. So it is not, I suppose it doesn't read the global setting that we usually have for your membership invoices, typical membership invoices. Cool. Once that's all been set, all you have to do is to click save, and it will create the order ready to go. And with this order, it is, again, repeat, it is not attached to any membership or whatsoever. So for the member, paying this invoice will not extend the membership. So it's a separate process. But otherwise, you get all the same features. So you can go and click the text invoice, generated as per the invoice that you would usually and familiar with. Clicking make a payment will take you to the payment page by credit card. You can then also email this invoice to the customer or to your member for them to be looked after from there. That's it, really. That's all there is to it. Give that a try and let me know. Trust this would help you in your membership management journey. Thank you. Bye-bye.